This is a pack of kitchen drawstring bags. This pack includes 45 bags and each bag has a 13-gallon capacity. There you go. These multi-use bags are unscented and the color is white. This is about 27 inches tall and 24 inches wide. Here's the red drawstring closure. This design helps with easy tying and carrying. The material here is plastic and it looks to be very well constructed. This is stretchable and feels strong. Let's partially fill this bag with water and we will do a leak test. There you go. There is absolutely no leak and this can hold a good amount of liquid without any mess or spillage. This is extremely easy to use. Take the can out. Put this on. It fits well and securely attaches to the top rim of the can. Overall, these multi-use bags are very well designed, easy to use and maintain, and this pack is highly recommended.